Opposition leader Advocate Chamisa has strongly criticized the ZANU-PF government for its ongoing harassment of journalist Blessed Mhlanga. Sanabna mashukano mdanyu panapa chinsa aiwa Chamisa confront the Zimbabwean leader Mr. E.D. Mnangagwa over the persecution of journalists. Not Blessed Geza, not go subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa Zim I Vanu Branyurachit in a statement made on Tuesday. Chamisa condemned the arrest of Mhlanga as a blatant violation of basic freedoms and human rights. In quotes, targeting of journalists is archaic. The arrest of journalist Blessed Mhlanga is a flagrant violation of the fundamental freedoms and human rights, Chamisa said, emphasizing his strong opposition to such actions. He further described that the arrest is an attack on civilians itself, stating the arrest is an affront to civilization, press freedom, and democracy. Chamisa also underscored the critical role of journalism in a free society, pointing out that a free press is essential for the functioning of a modern and progressive nation. Journalism is the oxygen that drives society. A free press is the lifeblood of a progressive and functional modern society, he added. The opposition leader highlighted the constitutional guarantees that protect the media in Zimbabwe, specifically referencing Section 61 of the country's constitution, which ensures the freedom of the press. Section 61 of Zimbabwe Constitution guarantees freedom of the media. This right must be upheld, Chamisa remarked. Thomas Kwambla toko panapa aiwa ne the opposition leader chiti aiwa kuya panapa ku arrestiwa kuitwa vana Mhlanga panguva ino because aiwa ku violate the constitution just because they are just executing their role as the journalist. Ngoto dzema mafungiro enyu not kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi una vakomana ava chifira mukomana anonzi Blessed Runeso Geza ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa is the only guy aware akakola up with the designation yemtungamiri wenyika. Pina comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu, so no subscribe or like, don't on the bell icon.